In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Refy discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Refy discount promo codes. Right here, go to this website which is called wordplanet.com. So as you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one with up to 10% discount on any order, all you need to do is simply tap right here, show code. And as you can see right here, this is the promo code. You can simply tap right here to copy this promo code. And you can use this one on your next purchase in order to get that 10% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called retrieve.com. And right here, we also have some promo codes, as you can see right here, that we can use to get some discounts. So, for example, if you want to get this one with 10% discount of everything, all you need to do right here is simply tap on this button where it says copy code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply select and copy this promo code, and you can use this one on your next purchase to get that discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.